Ever pondered on the idea of a software for your brain, designed to bypass your critical conscious mind and plunge straight into the subconscious? Fascinating, isn't it? First up is the written programming technique. This involves engaging your senses, auditory, visual, and kinesthetic, by jotting down your goals every morning. These should be positive, present tense, and personal affirmations. For example, I earn X amount by the 31st of December, 2023. Close your eyes, visualize achieving that goal, and experience the emotions associated with it. This is akin to feeding a picture directly into your subconscious, creating a potent impact. On to the quick programming technique, ideal for imminent events like meetings or sales calls. Visualize the perfect outcome, affirm it positively, emotionalize it, and then let it go. This primes your mind for success in that particular moment. Then we have the mental rehearsal technique, or the sports affirmation technique, as it's also known. Athletes around the globe employ this to visualize and rehearse their performances flawlessly. The concept is to live the experience internally before manifesting it externally. Winners insist on reliving past successes, while losers dwell on past failures. So replay your success stories over and over in your mind. And now, the standard affirmation technique with 7 potent steps. Establish 10 to 15 goals, write them on index cards, read and repeat them, visualize the outcome, and feel the emotions. Do this twice a day, morning and evening, for 5 to 10 minutes to keep programming your subconscious mind. Now, when your mind drifts to negative thoughts or fears, shout stop and replace them with positive thoughts. This is a pattern interrupt that can make a significant difference. So, cancel out those negatives and zero in on what you desire. To sum up, these techniques are like a software upgrade for your brain, creating a mindset primed for success. Give them a try, and perhaps you'll be unlocking the doors to a more fulfilling and prosperous life. Relax, jot down notes, and embark on this journey of transformation. Thank you.